Good morning 7th standard and welcome to the online classes of Winner Small Wonder Secondary School. This is Sanchita and we were reading chapter number 3, the antlion. So far we have read that there was a struggle between the ant and the antlion. This is a story of two kids, Morwenna and Max, who are brother sisters and who were actually doing a sport by providing ants to the antlion. They actually want to see that how antlion actually end up eating the ant. And the ant that they provided, the last one, was the meat ant. The shape and size of the meat ant was way bigger than the antlion itself. But we have seen so far that the antlion was able to succeed in eating the prey. It was able to grab the ant and to just make it the situation worse. Now going forward, what happened? Now the ant fall. Now the ant fell. All was over. How quickly, how ruthlessly the ant lion pulled him down, hiding him in the sand to serve for larder where the other ants lay. So we have seen so far the antlion was successful in killing the ant. Now the ant fell. That means the ant was doing the last struggle and it did not succeed and it ended up in his death. All was over. सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. How quickly, how ruthlessly, कितनी जल्दी, कितनी ruthlessly का मतलब brutally और क्रूरता से the antlion pulled him down. So the Morwenna and Max have seen that how quickly, how ruthlessly, how brutally the antlion actually was pulling the ant down, hiding him in the sand to serve for larder. Antlion was actually hiding the ant in the sand for larder. Larder means his warehouse, or you can say storage or pantry. So he was actually killing all the ants and serving and keeping it in the storage for further uses where the other ants lay. That means this antlion is going on killing ants and actually making a storage so that he do not have to do the hunting for the next few days. Slowly, the lion and his victim sank into the sand. So Morwenna and Max have seen that slowly antlion और ant दोनों ही जो sand में नीचे की तरफ जा रहे थे, यानी छुप रहे थे. Now they were only humps, sand covered. Now they had vanished. So अभी उन्होंने देखा कि अब जो वो दोनों ही नीचे चले गए, सैंड के अंदर चले गए. जो ऊपर दिखाई दे रहा है वो हम्प दिखाई दे रहा है. हम्प का मतलब होता है हंक या कुबर, यानी ढक देते हैं जब हम सैंड से किसी चीज़ को, तो हमें दिखता है ना कि थोड़े सी जगह ऊंची है. सो वैसे ऊंची जगह उनको दिखाई दे रही है जो कि सैंड से कवर्ड है और वैनिश हो गए. दे एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम द सीन. देयर ले द पिट स्टिल एंड इनोसेंट, इट्स कॉन्टूर्स अनचेंज्ड. So now they can only see that there is a pit, there is a dig, जो खड्डा है वहाँ पे है, वो still है, innocent है, बिल्कुल मासूम है, वहाँ कोई हलचल नहीं है. There is no nothing happening. It's contours. Contours का मतलब होता है shape या आकृति जिसको हम कहते हैं. So our contours unchanged. जो उसके साइड का एरिया है, खड्डे के साइड का एरिया है, वो बिल्कुल भी चेंज नहीं है. It's unchanged. Max sat up slowly. Now the brother Max, they both were lying on their stomach and actually seeing all the things which was happening. Now they both sat up slowly. His eyes looked large and dark. So Max's eyes were looking large and dark. That means he was in some other world. Are you going to put in another? Morwenna asked. Morwenna, his sister, asked that are you going to provide some more ant to the antlion? Because Max on starting was actually helping antlion to get his prey. She half hoped, half feared it. So Morwenna was really thinking that maybe Max can do this. So she was hopeful that it can happen, and again she was actually getting scared that maybe I have to again see some more ant killing. No, Max said. He stood up, not looking at the pit or at Morwenna. Enough's enough. So Max said no. He did not see towards the Morwenna, and he did not have any eye towards the pit. He said enough is enough. नहीं, बहुत हो गया, अब नहीं. Are you going to bring Harry down and show it to him? Morwenna persisted. Persisted का मतलब होता है कायम रहना या hang on. So Morwenna now asked to the Max that are you going to bring Harry? Harry can be their other brother or some friend. So she asked that, are you going to bring Harry and to make him see that what we saw? Oh, shut up, said Max. Max said कि oh, okay, चुप रहो तुम. Nothing. He stood uncertainly for a moment, detaching himself from the scene, from the afternoon, from Morwenna. So Max is in own world now. So he stood uncertainly. वो uncertainly उसने अभी तक कुछ certain नहीं किया था कि उसे क्या करना है. अपने ही ख्यालों में खोया हुआ था. अपने आप को पूरी तरह से उसने अलूफ कर लिया, डिटैच कर लिया for himself from the scene, जहाँ पे वो खड़ा है आफ्टरनून यानी दोपहर से, और मोरवना से. दैट मीन्स ही इज इन is his own world. Then he set off down the creek bank. Creek, I told you that it's a rivulet, छोटी सी नदी. So Max had marched towards the creek bank, running faster and faster. So अब Max ने जो रिवर का बैंक था उसकी तरफ जोर से दौड़ना शुरू कर दिया, very fast. Morwenna stood hesitating. The sister Morwenna was hesitating. She was actually thinking that what to do. She was hesitating. Then she too began to run. So फिर देखा कि ब्रदर भी चला गया है, तो she also started running. At last they stopped, far from the pit, exhausting and panting. So उसके बाद दोनों भागते भागते एक जगह रुके, बहुत दूर जाके रुके जहाँ पे वो खड्डा था पिट से. एग्जॉस्ट हो गए, दौड़ते दौड़ते पूरी तरह से थक गए, टायर्ड हो गए. एंड पेंटिंग, पेंटिंग का मतलब होता है हाफना और आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ. व्हेन वी रन एट अ फास्ट पेस एंड आफ्टर दैट वी एक्चुअली स्टॉप एंड वी स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग. हम हाफते हैं, हम सांस लेने की कोशिश करते हैं. दैट इज पेंटिंग. व्हाट शैल वी डू नाउ? मोरवना सेड दैट अब क्या करें? व्हाट शैल वी डू नाउ? That's end up a chapter here which was written by Julia Wright, and I hope that you really like this chapter. So we have seen that nature is beautiful, but what if when you see a creature killing other creature, that times we see the cruel part of the nature. That was this chapter all about, and I'm going to provide you the question answers in the PDF. Let's do some of the vocabulary. So this is B1. Extreme adjectives. You have already done about the extreme adjectives and everything. So what is an extreme adjective? Okay, so adjective हमें पता है कि जो विशेषण जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, जो noun की विशेषता बताता है, जो संज्ञा की विशेषता बताता है, a speciality of the noun is known as adjective. So we are learning about extreme adjectives. So they are non-gradable adjectives that help to enhance the meaning and impact of noun. कोई भी आप शब्द बोलते हैं, नाउन बोलते हैं, उसकी विशेषता को और बढ़ाने के लिए, एनहेंस करने के लिए, इम्पैक्ट बताने के लिए हम एडजेक्टिव का यूज़ करते हैं. और जिस एडजेक्टिव का हम यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं एक्सट्रीम एडजेक्टिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रीजिंग. फ्रीजिंग मीन्स एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. फ्रीजिंग का मतलब ही होता है एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. आप जब कह रहे हैं दैट आई एम फ्रीजिंग, यानी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है, लेकिन उसको भी मुझे वेरिएशन बताना है कि मुझे कम ठंड लग रही है कि मुझे ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है. तो आई कैन यूज़ वी कैन नॉट से लाइक वी कांट से अ लिटिल फ्रीजिंग और वेरी फ्रीजिंग when we talk about the weather. The word freezing itself means extremely cold. When you are either we will say कि I am feeling cold, or I can say I am freezing. That means मैं ठंड से काँप रहा हूँ. काँपना is extreme. ठंड जब एक्सट्रीम हो जाता है then it is freezing. However, in order to make them stronger, we can use absolutely or really before the extreme adjective. So freezing को भी मुझे बताना है कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है, तो उसके लिए I can use the word absolutely or really. For example, here are some more examples. Terribly exciting. Exciting is the noun, is the adjective where you are showing the happiness. Happiness is the noun and you are actually showing the highest level of happiness, and that is exciting. But exciting itself is highest, but again I want to show that exciting is also something. I want to show the extreme. So I will say terribly exciting. बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ मैं. Hugely disappointing. Disappoint वैसे ही आप जब sad होते हैं और उसके बाद में आपको अच्छा कुछ नहीं लगता, वैसे ही disappoint होते हैं. उसमें भी आपको शो करना है that extreme आपको शो करना है, तो we can use hugely disappointing. And fabulous feast. Feast होता है दावत. दावत में हमें पता है कि बहुत अच्छा खाना बनता है, तरह तरह के डिशेस बनते हैं, सैवियर्स बनते हैं, एंड वी हैव टू से दैट इट वाज रियली वंडरफुल, इट वाज एक्सट्रीम. आई वांट टू शो समथिंग एक्सट्रीम, सो आई कैन यूज द वर्ड fabulous. Okay, So let's understand this one. Let us match. Angry. So what can be the extreme form of angry? Furious. एक तो मैं गुस्सा हूँ और मैं गुस्से से काँप रहा हूँ, गुस्से एकदम एक्सट्रीम गुस्सा है मुझे, so I will say furious. Then happy. What is the extreme of happy? Thrilled. I am thrilled with the happiness. Third is hungry. मुझे भूख लग रही है. And then the word extreme is starving. कि मैं भूख से एकदम तड़प रहा हूँ, starving. Big. It can be said enormous. बहुत बड़ा. Small. It can be said small and tiny. Okay. Hot. Can be boiling. Hot है, गर्म है, और boiling एकदम जो आप कह सकते हो उबल रहा है. Tired. I am tired and I can say the word exhausted. That means मेरे में अब कुछ भी शक्ति नहीं है करने की. I am completely exhausted. Okay, so you understand, students? So you can use, these are the nouns which we have seen, which is already in the form wherein we are showing that it is extremely things. But again, we want to give it more impact. That's why we are using such words. Okay, fill in the blanks using appropriate extreme adjectives from the box. So this is the box given to you and we have to use the words from here to the right sentence. I can't walk because of the excruciating pain in my right ankle. It could be a fracture. So I am saying that I maybe have gotten fracture and the pain is something unbearable. So the word which I am using is excruciating. I am petrified of visiting a doctor's clinic. I can use the word scared. मुझे डर लगता है. Petrified का मतलब मुझे देखते ही मेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, मैं एकदम से कुछ करने की हालत में नहीं रहती. So that is petrified. On the days I fast, by evening I am famished. उस दिन जिस दिन मैं फास्ट करती हूँ, शाम तक मैं पूरी तरह से एकदम कुछ करने की हालत में ही नहीं रहती हूँ. I am famished. Ruchi's pug is dead. She is inconsolable. रुचि का जो पेट है वो मर गया है and she is actually very much sad and she is unconsolable. उसको हम चुप ही नहीं करा पा रहे हैं, उसको हम सही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. They live in a huge bungalow. Big हो सकता है but we are using huge. It's freezing here at -5 degrees. So you can understand, if it is -5 it will be freezing like anything. My house is getting painted. I am exhausted because of all the work that I have to do. मेरे घर में पेंट हो रहा है और मैं पूरी तरह से टायर्ड हो चुकी हूँ. तो टायर्ड के लिए मैं वर्ड यूज करूँगी exhausted because सारा काम मुझे ही करना पड़ रहा है. Okay, and these are the sentences. Make sentences using these extreme adjectives. Please do this one. The first one is furious. My father was furious when I failed my science test. Okay. Then second word is gorgeous. She looked gorgeous on her wedding day. अपनी शादी के दिन वो बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी. Hilarious. I am watching a hilarious web series. Hilarious का मतलब है कॉमेडी और हाई लेवल की कॉमेडी, so it's a hilarious. Spotless. My mother keeps our house spotless because my mother is an expert. और वो जब साफ करती है घर तो आप कहीं भी आपको एक स्पॉट नहीं दिखेगा. So spotless. Astounding. She has made an astounding progress in her career. So जो वो कोई है उसने अपने कैरियर में बहुत उन्नति की है, बहुत प्रोग्रेस किया है. So I am using the word astounding. Ancient. These monuments are ancient. That means old एक होता है ancient. Old होता है पुराना, ancient का मतलब बहुत पुराना, पुरातत्व जिसको हम कहते हैं आदिकाल. So these monuments are ancient. Now let's understand something about the positive, comparative and superlative adjectives. So an adjective can exist in three forms, that is positive, superlative and comparative. So these are the things when we try to grade it. Okay, for example, the positive form is the base form of the adjective. It does not make any comparison. Example, rich, beautiful and good. So the places where we are not comparing with two or more than two, it is known as positive. So the words are rich, beautiful and good. We are not comparing between two cities, between two persons, between two other things. Comparative, the word itself shows comparison. Comparison happens between two or more than two. So the comparative form expresses a higher or lower degree of some quality. Example, richer, prettier, better. Okay, and the superlative form expresses the highest or least degree, that is richest, prettiest, best. जैसे होता है rich, richer, richest, beautiful, we can say prettier and prettiest, good, better, best. So these are the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Let's understand this one from here. You have learned that adjectives have three forms that are used for the comparison. These are the positive, comparative, superlative. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verse given in the bracket. So you have been provided with the correct with the form of word here, and we need to understand where to use when. December is the coldest month of the year. So we are comparing. So here it is the superlative. Okay, because it is among the highest cold. Okay, December सबसे ज़्यादा freezing होता है, cold होता है. So we are using December is the coldest month of the year. Of the two sisters, Rekha is the prettier, or even we can use prettiest one. Why? Because whenever there is a word the, we can actually use the comparison which is actually happening is like that. So wherever there is a word the is coming, we can either use the prettier or prettiest both. The reason being, out of two sisters, that means the comparison is happening. So that why in that way we can actually use Rekha is the prettier or prettiest, because prettiest also because we are not comparing with anybody else. So prettier भी right है, prettiest भी right है. It was the worst moment of my life. Bad का हमने किया worst because सबसे highest degree है वो. This is the farthest that she has ever walked in all these years. इतने सालों में ये सबसे ज़्यादा दूर था जो वो चली है. Again highest degree. So we have used farthest. The Nile is the largest river in Egypt. Egypt में सबसे बड़ी नदी जो है वो actually में Nile है, superlative है. So Nile is the largest. I have never seen a more courageous boy. कुछ वर्ड्स में हम more और most का यूज़ करते हैं. Courageous के तीन फॉर्म से हम बोलेंगे. So it will be courageous, more courageous, most courageous. So I have never seen a more courageous boy because I am actually comparing this boy with the other boy. So I am using more courageous. It is surely easier to preach than to practice. Preach और practice इन दोनों में compare हो रहा है. एक होता है preach करना, बताना, और एक होता है practice, उसको practically करना. So I am using the word easier, not easiest. Okay. She looked lovely in the evening gown, because here we are not comparing with anything. We are not comparing the quantity or the quality or anything. So this woman, we are using the positive form over here because she looked lovely. So she looked lovely in the evening gown. Okay, so that's what we are only doing this much of grammar and vocabulary, and I shall be providing you the question answers in the PDF, and let's meet again in the next chapter. Please do the work well in the copy, and then we'll take it forward. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.